Watch this. That's 5 lines gone, and I'm going to teach you how to go about it. 3 shortcuts, that's what you are going to learn in this tutorial class. If you've been coding 1 line at a time, that is the slow way. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to code fast using just 3 keyboard shortcuts. So I'm currently on Kali Linux running Sublime Text 4, but every shortcut here works the same on both your Windows and your Mac. So the first one now is what we call Ctrl plus Click. Let me say, for instance, now I want my cursor to be in several places so that I can quickly write my code. I'll click on this, then I'll hold my Ctrl, and I'll click on as many places as I want to write my edits. Let me say I want to write edits in these places, then look at me type. So by typing, all places where my cursor has been selected will definitely show what I'm currently typing in. That's the first step. While the next step is Ctrl plus D. Let me say, for instance, I want to look for every single place that I have cat total. After selecting the variable name, I just have to hold Ctrl and D and to select as many places as it currently appears. That is the second one. While the third one, it is called Ctrl plus F. Let me say I want to look for every single place. I hold Ctrl F. Then after typing cat total here, I hold Alt Enter. So it automatically selects every single place cat total exists in our code. So please, for you to help us, would love if you would simply subscribe and like this video so more people can see it. Thanks.